Lenovo G0A20001WW Explorer Mixed Reality Headset Review 2019. Mixed Reality Headset. Taking just minutes to set up, the Lenovo Explorer headset combines the thrill of VR with a phenomenal sense of presence. Tour top travel destinations, be the hero in the most exciting games, plus more, all from the comfort of your own home. Display resolution 2880x1440. Comfortable design. Journey far and wide in real comfort with this adjustable virtual reality headset. At less than £1, it's light and perfectly balanced, so you'll hardly notice you're wearing it. Multi-device interaction. Lenovo Explorer gives you 4 ways to interact with your virtual world. Use the Lenovo motion controllers, your keyboard and mouse, Xbox controllers or Cortana digital assistant for new ways to work, play and explore. Motion controllers, automatically tracked by the headset sensors. These handheld, lightweight VR controllers give you greater freedom to explore new worlds like never before. Box includes Lenovo Explorer headset for Windows Mixed Reality, cable, motion controllers, battery, quick start guide and warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.